Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll talk about 6 of the biggest and the most important archives and directories of websites everyone has to know about, whatever his online work is: content creator, author, writer, designer, and so on. And honestly speaking, these amazing websites are a real treasure in internet. So feast your eyes and make the way to these wonderful websites that definitely would blow your mind. So let's get started. And now we can begin with the first website for today, that is Futurepedia.io. Futurepedia.io. In this wonderful website, you could find over 500 AI tools in different categories, in different fields, as you see here. So at the first glance, you can find a lot of websites like writesync.com for copywriting and for writing articles and so on, Refusion, Flaky.ai, Copy.ai, MoonPM, Profile Pictures AI, and so on and so forth, in different categories, in different fields, as you see. And here you can find to more filtration and refine your results. Here you can find a lot of categories like audio editing, avatars, code assistant, copywriting, customer support, education assistant, email assistant, developer tools, design assistant, and so on and so forth. Or you can go to these filters and then you can select your tool according to its pricing plans, like free trial, premium, and paid, as you see. Or you can go to this one, verified or new tools, here in this amazing website, or the popular websites people are searching for. Or you can come over to this search bar area and click over anything you want, like copywriting or something like Write, Sonic, or Longshot AI. For example, we can type Texta. As you see here, you can find a lot of websites like Killpot, paraphrasing to rewrite and paraphrase any content, any text you want, Refusion, Flaky.ai to create your video from your text and your article, or Murph.ai, one of the best artificial intelligence tools that provide you with lifelike voiceovers, staple diffusions, and so on and so forth. As you see, like Cheat AI, ChatGPT writes the king nowadays, Specify, Cheat Plus, i4AI, Text-to-Map, and so on and so forth, as you see. So if we try to filter, like if we want to look for AI tools that provide us with free trial, for example, here you can find a lot of websites, as here, like Murph, Cheat AI, Redacte, Summarize, Stock Image AI, Paraphraser, Anyword, Play.ht, Resample, lifelike voiceovers, as you see, voiceover generators, Well-Said Labs, one of the best lifelike voiceover generators out there, Rocket AI, and so on and so forth. So the first website you have to know right now is Futurepedia.io. And now let's move on to the next website for today, that is YouNeed.pest. YouNeed.pest. Here you can find a lot of tools you need in your online journey. Like you can find a lot of 3D tools, AP testing, advertising, affiliation, agile, audio automation, avatars, backgrounds, browsers, business charts, and so on and so forth. Or you can find a lot of some categories like development, design, marketing, business, and personal life, as you see, like hairstyle AI, wide angle, chip SaaS, spaces for macOS, long snag, eco jobs, cap time, and so on. So if you explore together this category like marketing, here you can find a lot of tools regarding marketing, like wide angle, 30, long snag, Typefully, Plank, Fathom, Serple, HelloPar, Microsoft, and so on and so forth. So here you can find a lot of websites that are important for you in your online work. And let's move on to the third website for today, that is Tools.design. Tools.design. Here you can find over 1,000 graphic designer resources for anyone who are working in content creation, graphic designer, print on demand, and so on. As you see, discover highly useful design resources and tools, and this amazing website is updated weekly for this community. Here you can find a lot of categories, as you see, like inspiration, illustrations, icons, mockups, typography, stock photos, learning, blogs, podcasts, books, and so on and so forth. And for every single category, you can find a lot of free websites that will help you in your work. For example, if we head to this inspiration or icons, for example, here you can find a lot of free websites that provide you with free icons that you can use in your lectures, videos, posts, and so on. As you see, like material samples, like hero icons, Lucid, the icon of, Magist icons, Eva icons, and so on and so forth. Or if we go back and explore another category like stock photos, here you can find a lot of websites that provide you with free images with commercial license. As you see, like Unsplash, Pixels, Shotstash, Pixabay, PicJumper, Purse, Leopardstock, Negative Space, Little Visuals, Movie East, Gratisography, and so on and so forth. So it's amazing website, Tools.design. And now let's move on to the fourth website for today, that is designresources.es. designresources.es. Here you can find a lot of tools and websites that are important for any designer, for any content creator, as you see, for accessibility, for books, for color, design news, design systems, design tools, icons, illustrations, inspiration, jobs, learn design, and so on. For example, you will find here at the first glance and the homepage of this website, Figma, Drupal for inspiration, Muesli, similar to this one, Webflow for website builder, Moppin, checklist design, Sketch, High Designer, Unsplash. So if we explore one of these amazing categories like MOCKUPS tools, here you can find a lot of websites provide you with professional mockups to promote your designs and your products on social media, like AnyMockup, DemiClub, BrandPaired, ShotSnap, Overframe, Frames, Angle, Paste, Facebook devices, and CleanMock, and so on. And if we go to this one, typography, here you can find a lot of websites that provide you with fonts with commercial license, like Typographic, TypoWolf, Google Fonts, My Fonts, SpeakHuman, Adobe Fonts, and so on and so forth. And jump to the next website for today, that is Oden.net. Oden.net. Here in this fascinating website, you can search for any photo crossover free 38 websites. Just come over here in this search bar area and type anything you want to look for in free websites. Like if we type something like sunflower, for example, this amazing website will give you all free pictures found in all free websites like Unsplash, Pixabay, Capon Pix, IsoRepublic, Free Nature Stock, and more results like Negative Space, Parn Images, Magdalene, G-Shots, Live of Pics, and over other 10 websites, as you see. And now let's move on to the last website for today, that is SideHustleStack.co. Here you can find a big resource to find platform-based work. As you see, according to your work in internet, like for chef, coach, community leader, content creator, e-commerce, event organizer, and so on. Just you can, for every single category, you can find a lot of websites that will help you more in that field. For example, if we go together to content creator, for example, so what websites would help you me more in that field and that business? Like Peekins to make a landing page or buy a link in Instagram, and so on. For PurePop, ViewPlans, Nopi, Clicks Talent, Creator Cash, for Google AdSense and YouTubers, Feature, Tech Writer, for example, like Mirror, ConvertKit, Substack, WordPress, Medium, Ghost, and so on. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.